Hi, I'm Karen Rogers. If you thought that the Olive U Valentine snack was just too dumb, I went ahead and made another healthy, delicious Valentine's Day snack, and this one is in the shape of a heart, made out of fresh, delicious raspberries. Because it's so simple, I'll go ahead and review blood flow through the heart. Remember, all of the dirty blood that has all the carbon dioxide starts here at the right atrium. Now you might say, wait a minute, that's the left side. But if you think about anatomical position, when you study anatomy, you have to imagine somebody who is lying down facing you. And that person, this would be their right. Okay, remember that? So the dirty blood dumps into the right atrium, goes through a valve to the right ventricle. It gets pumped to the lungs via the pulmonary artery. Then that's when gas exchange takes place, and the fresh oxygenated blood comes in via the pulmonary veins into the left atrium through a valve to the left ventricle, and then it gets pumped out the big aorta to the rest of the body. The heart is amazing. Happy Valentine's Day. I educate, motivate, entertain. I'll see you next time.